Expressing preference English sentences. In English, preference refers to a choice or liking for one thing over another. Preference often based on personal tastes, experience or feelings. Let's understand with examples. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. I like reading books. I like reading books. I enjoy playing tennis. I enjoy playing tennis. I love rock climbing. I love rock climbing. I prefer staying at home. I prefer staying at home. I like Chinese food. I like Chinese food. I enjoy watching action movies. I enjoy watching action movies. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. I prefer driving to walking. I prefer driving to walking. He enjoys hiking more than cycling. He enjoys hiking more than cycling. I like reading novels more than magazine. I like reading novels more than magazine. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking. I like color pink. I like color pink. I prefer cold water. I prefer cold water. I like going to the mountain. I like going to the mountain. I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting. I love photography. I love photography. I love teaching. I love teaching. I love gardening. I love gardening. I prefer dogs over cats. I prefer dogs over cats. I enjoy baking. I enjoy baking. These sentences are all used to express what someone enjoys more, or what they prefer in different situations.